So today we are going to show you how to clean leather correctly. We're going to use LRC1 leather cleaner, which is the one on the right, and we're going to use LRC7 aniline leather cleaner, which is on the left. That is going to be accompanied with the Bruchel brush and the bamboo pad. We're going to use LRC1 and the Bruchel brush first of all. Simply spray on your leather cleaner. Allow a short dwell time. Then gently work in the cleaning solution. You will notice we are not pushing and bending the fibres of the brush. We are allowing the brush to work over the surface in a slow, either straight up and down pattern or circular motion to remove dirt and grime. And then wipe away all of the dirt, grease and grime. Spray on once again LRC1 leather cleaner, allow to dwell, and then using the bamboo pad agitate over the surface to remove all the dirt, grease and grime. This is also going to help pull the dirt away with it as you're cleaning into your pad. Any excess can then just simply be wiped away. So now we're going to show you how to use the aniline leather cleaner LRC7. Simply spray on to the surface of your leather and then agitate again with the Bruchel brush, working in either a circular motion or straight motion to remove dirt, grease and grime. The reason for using the aniline leather cleaner in this instance is due to the cracking that you see on the surface. We wanted to use that more delicate cleaner so that we're not getting the strong LRC1 version into the collagen fibre network, helping to preserve your leather surface. We will now simply just wipe away the dirt and grime on the surface of this car seat. Again, spray on the LRC7 aniline leather cleaner. Using the bamboo pad, wipe over the surface to remove all the dirt, grease and grime. This will pick up the dirt as you're proceeding over the surface to clean your leather item, be that on a pigmented item or on an aniline leather couch. Simply wipe away the dirt, grease and grime. For any specific help, please don't hesitate to reach out. Our website is leatherrepaircompany.com.